CBSE Biology Class 10 Chapter 7 Control and Coordination Part 2b. Let us learn the biology chapters through questions and answers, which most of the students prefer. Note that PG here is for page, PR for paragraph in your textbook, and questions are in yellow color while answers in white color. How plants signal to stop growing. Plants also need signals to stop growing. Abscisic acid is one example of a hormone which inhibits growth. Its effects include wilting of leaves. Give two examples of controlled movements in our body, one very quick while the other very slow. Number 1. Electrical impulses are an excellent means of very quick type. Number 2. Instead of generating an electrical impulse, stimulated cells release a chemical compound such as hormone. This compound would diffuse all around the original cell. If other cells around have the means to detect this compound using special molecules on their surfaces, then they would be able to recognize information and even transmit it. This will be slower, of course, but it can potentially reach all cells of the body. State the importance of the plant hormones gibberellins and cytokinins. The plant hormones gibberellins, like auxins, help in the growth of the stem. Cytokinins promote cell division, and it is natural then that they are present in greater concentration in areas of rapid cell division, such as in fruits and seeds. Write about growth promoting and growth inhibiting plant hormones. Auxins, gibberellins and cytokinins are growth promoting hormones in plants, and abscisic acid is growth inhibiting hormones in plants. What do some animals, for instance squirrels, experience when they are in a scary situation? Their bodies have to prepare for either fighting or running away. Both are very complicated activities that will use a great deal of energy in controlled ways. Many different tissue types will be used and their activities integrated together in these acts. How adrenaline causes series of changes to deal with a scary situation. Adrenaline is secreted directly into the blood and carried to different parts of the body. The target organs or the specific tissues on which it acts include the heart. As a result, the heart beats faster, resulting in supply of more oxygen to our muscles. The blood to the digestive system and skin is reduced due to contraction of muscles around small arteries in these organs. This diverts the blood to our skeletal muscles. The breathing rate also increases because of the contractions of the diaphragm and the rib muscles. All these responses together enable the animal body to be ready to deal with the situation. Plants have hormones that control their directional growth. How growth happens in animal bodies. In animal bodies, growth happens in carefully controlled places. We never see an animal growing more in one direction or the other, depending on light or gravity. Why is it important for us to have iodized salt in our diet? Iodine is necessary for the thyroid gland to make thyroxine hormone. Thyroxine regulates carbohydrate, protein and fat metabolism in the body so as to provide the best balance for growth. Which hormone gland is responsible for making giants or dwarfs? Sometimes we come across people who are either very short, dwarfs, or extremely tall, giants. Growth hormone is one of the hormones secreted by the pituitary gland. As its name indicates, growth hormone regulates growth and development of the body. If there is a deficiency of this hormone in childhood, it leads to dwarfism. What are puberty changes? You must have noticed many dramatic changes in your appearance as well as that of your friends as you approached 10 to 12 years of age. These changes associated with puberty are because of the secretion of testosterone hormone in males and estrogen hormone in females. This question answers of the chapter 7 Control and Coordination will be continued in the next video titled CBSE Biology Class 10 Chapter 7 Control and Coordination Part 3A.